The best massage guns work on sore and paining muscles, helping you prioritize exercise recovery without eye-watering massage therapist fees. In this video, I am going to show you top 5 best massage guns that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which massage gun did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any gadget, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there. I will reply you back. Legiral Le 3 massage gun, the best value massage gun. The Legiral has 20 speeds and 5 interchangeable heads, so you can target every inch of your body that ails you. The massage gun boasts a 16 mm amplitude, which is impressive considering its low price. For a gun that cost under $100 or under 10,000 Indian rupees, you would expect the Legiral Le 3 to lack a lot of the high quality properties of its more expensive competitors. But with a well above average amplitude, lengthy battery life and incredible wide ppm range and the 20 different speed settings, the Le 3 holds its own among the more well-known brands. Buy this amazing massage gun for its quiet working, long battery life and lifetime warranty. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Theragun Elite, one of the best massage gun. The Theragun Elite may be costly, but it's a worthwhile investment that can help anyone to move and feel better. It comes with the 5 attachments and a power adapter, come box inside a hard shell carrying case with the various storage compartments. The battery life is also pretty impressive on the Elite, and on one full charge of the battery can get up to 2 hours of operation. Buy this amazing massage gun for its ergonomic multi-grip design. Closed cell foam attachments are less painful. QX65 motor allows for 40 lbs of pressure without stalling or recoiling, comprehensive Therabody app and 2 hours of battery life. SportNear Deep Tissue Muscle Massager, the best massage gun for beginners. The SportNear Deep Tissue Massage made this list for its reasonable price, number of attachments, carrying case, quiet level and being an overall good product for the price. This device is also as lightweight as some of the portable version, so it's easy to take outside the home. The SportNear Elite D9 is a fantastic massage gun for the price. A wide speed range to fit a variety of user preferences and a specifically designed attachment that allow you to incorporate oils into your massage. There are drawbacks too. However, the 11mm stroke amplitude means this gun is not as powerful as other massage guns in this list. Buy this amazing massage gun for it's one of the most affordable massage guns. Long lasting battery life, quieter than other massage guns. Hyperworld 2 Pro, the best Bluetooth enabled massage gun. The Hyperworld 2 Pro is a well-made massage gun especially suited for athletes and advanced users. The basic yet solid construction of the Hyperworld 2 Pro makes it a good choice for nearly anyone looking to invest in a high-end massage gun. The Hyperworld 2 Pro has an exceptional battery life at 3 hours and it outlasts the Theragun Elite and the Theragun Mini by 60 and 30 minutes respectively. The Hyperrise app is capable of leading accomplished athletes through comprehensive programming for a competitive edge. A variety of textured attachments combined with a speedy 2700 ppm effectively releases the tightest trigger points and muzzle grooves. Buy this amazing massage gun for its long-lasting battery life, solid and sturdy construction. Cushion attachment allows for the massage in especially tight or bony area. Hyperworld Go 2, overall the best massage gun. The Hyperworld Go 2 is an affordable, lightweight massage gun that packs a powerful punch. It costs around the same as the Theragun Mini, but unlike the Mini, it comes with 2 different attachments, has a 180-minute battery life, and has a top speed of 3200 pulsations per minute. It's also got a more traditional massage gun design which allows you to hold it in different positions to really work into tired, sore. Buy this amazing massage gun for it's more affordable than other massage guns on this list, lightweight and comfortable to hold, quiet in working and comes with 2 massage heads and charging adapters. So these are the 5 amazing massage guns that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.